What if I told you there are entire towns around the world that vanished in minutes, wiped off the map by walls of water taller than buildings? These aren't just stories, they're real places, erased by tsunamis, where nature's raw power left nothing but ruins, silence, and memory. 1. Tōhoku, Japan. On March 11, 2011, a magnitude 9.0 earthquake struck off Japan's northeast coast. Within 30 minutes, waves as high as 40 meters hit towns like Minamisanriku and Rikuzen Takatara. Entire neighborhoods were erased. Over 15,000 lives lost. Today, some areas remain abandoned. Concrete shells of buildings stand as silent memorials. Scientists still study Tōhoku to understand how megathrust quakes along subduction zones create devastating tsunamis. 2. Lituya Bay, Alaska, the mega-tsunami. The largest tsunami ever recorded, 524 meters high, triggered not by an earthquake, but a massive landslide crashing into the fjord. It stripped an entire forest off the surrounding hillsides like matchsticks. Luckily, Lituya Bay was sparsely populated, but if that had happened near a city, nothing would have survived. 3. Banda, Aceh, Indonesia. December 26, 2004, a 9.1 megathrust earthquake off Sumatra generated waves that hit 14 countries. Banda Aceh, at the epicenter, was devastated. The wave reached inland as far as 5 kilometers, flattening buildings and killing over 160,000 people in Aceh alone. Entire coastal villages disappeared. Survivors rebuilt inland, leaving behind ghost towns swallowed by vegetation. 4. Chile, the Valdivia earthquake. The most powerful earthquake ever recorded, magnitude 9.5, generated tsunamis that struck not just Chile, but even reached Hawaii, Japan, and the Philippines. Chilean fishing villages along the coast were obliterated. Some were never rebuilt. Their ruins stand as reminders of Earth's most violent quake. 5. Ancient tsunami ghost towns. Tsunamis don't just happen today, they've shaped history. Archaeologists in the Mediterranean have uncovered ruins of coastal towns buried in sand and debris from ancient tsunamis. The Santorini eruption, approximately 1600 BCE, may have triggered a tsunami that wiped out parts of Minoan civilization. 6. Why tsunami ghost towns matter. They show us the geological reality of living near oceans. Subduction zones, where tectonic plates collide, are the most dangerous. Scientists study tsunami deposits in ghost towns to predict future risks and improve warning systems. Ghost towns are reminders. Coastlines are dynamic, and the sea can reclaim land in minutes. Tsunami ghost towns are not just abandoned places. They're living warnings carved into the earth. They remind us how fragile human settlements are when faced with the planet's unstoppable forces. The next mega-tsunami isn't a matter of if, but when. The question is, will we be ready? Which of these tsunami ghost towns shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the Earth's most powerful forces.